Hi guys, so today's really exciting because I bought a new vlogging camera and it just arrived in the mail. I just got home from work and yeah, I wanted to unbox it together because I've been wanting this camera for a little while now and I finally got my hands on it. I finally saved up enough money to purchase it, so yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. So exciting. Oh, this is so nice. So it actually came with a self-portrait handheld tripod. This is really cool. Yeah, so I got a tripod. That's really nice. Or like, this is not a tripod. This is like selfie stick. Yeah, I got a free selfie stick. It's really nice. And okay, so that's everything. They just gave me this handheld and the camera. I'm honestly so excited. So this is a camera. I got the Canon Legria. I believe in the States they sell the same camera, but it's called Vixia, and I believe in Europe or Japan, I'm not sure, but there's 3 different names for this camera. They're all the same, it's just different names depending on the country you live in. But yeah, I got the Legria and this is so exciting. So the camera that I use now, it's the Canon G7X, which I love. I love Canon, but it's very noticeable when I'm vlogging. So I wanted to get a camera that was much smaller, that I can vlog with. Oh my god. It's so tiny! Moment of truth. Oh my god. It's so small. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, no one would really know that I was vlogging. This is amazing. It's basically like in perfect condition. I don't see any scratches. There's like no scratches on this. Oh my god, I'm really so excited. But first I want to disinfect the product because this is a used product. It's not brand new because this camera has actually been discontinued, so it's very hard to get your hands on this. I think when I searched on Amazon there was only one and it was for over $1,000, so I'm very happy that I got it for a decent price here in Korea. But yeah, they're very expensive and very hard to find. Yeah, I'm gonna disinfect everything and then we will turn this bad boy on. Okay, moment of truth. How do we turn this bad boy on? Oh my god. Okay, there we go. This is so weird. Oh my god, you guys. It's one thing I love about this camera is the wide angle lens. Oh my god, you can just oh my god, you can see everything. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. This is so freaking cool. Wait, let me just turn on this light. This is so cool, you guys. I am so excited to try this camera. Wow.
remember, don't hesitate to call on me for anything. Like you said, a human being, I'm going to make you take that chance. Things have been different for me ever since I met Hildy. I've never met anyone quite like her before.